How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be doing a touchless wash of the car. Last week or a couple of weeks ago we did a Decon wash just to get rid of all the winter salt and grime. We're still in the winter at the moment, so the car's absolutely covered again with the road salt, but I'll do a swipe test because on the back bumper's the dirtiest. I'll let you see the before and after, so I'll show you this before we get started. This is what it's like at the moment. So for the product we'll be using Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel neat for the alloys. I've got Bilt Hamber Surfex HD diluted at a 1:10 ratio for the tyres and the bottom half of the body. And then for the foam, we'll be using Bilt Hamber Touchless diluted at 2% PIR. Right, we'll get started. Right, I took you off the tripod to let you see better. There's the wheels, you see a bit of brown on the tyre. I'll car. All the dirt just sliding down the bodywork. I'll tell you in the back, same as the back. Right, the worst part where I swiped the back bumper, you see all the brown just sliding down. It's starting to rain at the moment as well, so I'll let the foam to dwell good 10 minutes. I'll rinse off and let you see the final result and the final swipe. Right, if you hear any wind noise during the process, I do apologise. It's a bit windy, it's starting to rain now, but that's been about 5-10 minutes. So I'm going to give the car a rinse down and then we'll do a final swipe test at the back where we swiped, and we'll let you see what it's like, see if the touchless wash is really effective during the winter. My tap's running a bit low at the moment, that's why I keep on having to stop, because there's not enough water flow going to my pressure washer. But once it builds up, it's absolutely fine. I just need to remember it next time to switch on my tap a bit stronger. Right, so that's all rinsed off. Remember, this is the before, and so we're going to get a clean one and we'll do a swipe. And this is after, before and after. You see, you still a wee bit of dirt left, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was before. You won't get the car completely 100% clean without a contact wash stage, but this is a great way during the winter time if it's raining and you just want the car to look more respectable on the road. But if you're enjoying this kind of content, remember to hit the like and subscribe button and stick around for more, and I hope to see you on the next one.